हमारी क्लास के क्या रूल्स है नए? इट्स ओके बेटा, गो ऑन म्यूट, कोई बात नहीं। अंश बेटा, यू वांट टू ट्राई? शो मी थम्स अप अगर आपको पता है तो, एंड थम्स डाउन अगर नहीं पता है तो कोई बात नहीं। नो बेटा आयुष, नो, इट्स ओके अंश। नो बेटा, नो रेजिंग हैंड्स आयुष, वी आर नॉट सपोज टू रेज हैंड्स। आयुष बेटा, यू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड आप रूल्स बताओ क्लास के क्या है।
नो हैंड्स अप, क्लास के
Yes,
बीच
no
बोलना
hands up.
चाहिए, इनको हाथ नहीं लगाना है।
ओके,
क्लास करते हुए गुड मॉर्निंग
बेटा गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा, प्लीज गो ऑन म्यूट नाउ। यस आयुष बेटा बोलो। Okay Ayush, you will go on mute now. Everyone please stay on mute. Ayush, go on mute now. Yes, very good. Anushka बेटा please go on mute. Anushka बेटा please mute पे रहो. Ayush बेटा you also, and Vedant बेटा go on mute everyone. Yes, thank you. Now listen to me, दीदी दोबारा से रूल्स आपको बताएंगे. फर्स्ट एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रूल इज वी विल स्टे ऑन म्यूट थ्रू आउट द क्लास. अगर दीदी आपका नाम लेते हैं तभी आप बोलोगे, एंड वी विल नॉट रेज आवर हैंड्स, हम हैंड रेज नहीं करेंगे. एंड इफ दीदी आस्क्स एनी क्वेश्चन टू यू, यू विल यूज द चैट ऑप्शन. चैट ऑप्शन का आप जितना ज्यादा हो सके उतना यूज करेंगे, और चैट ऑप्शन में आप अपने आंसर्स को लिख के भेजेंगे. शो मी थम्स अप अगर सबको समझ आया. एंड वी विल नॉट इंटरप्ट इन बिटवीन व्हेन द अदर चाइल्ड इज स्पीकिंग, राइट? अगर कोई भी बच्चा बोल रहा है तो हम उसको पहले उसकी बात कंप्लीट करने देंगे, और अगर आपको उससे रिलेटेड कुछ बोलना है तो यू विल यूज द चैट ऑप्शन. Everyone understood? Very good. Very good, beta. Very good. Now I will share the screen. Aisha Didi, please start the screen sharing. Please share the PPT. सभी बच्चे ध्यान से स्क्रीन पे देखेंगे. सबके पास अपनी नोटबुक्स हैं? कोई भी नोटबुक? अभी कोई बच्चा क्वेश्चन पूछे, मैं उससे पहले बता रही हूं, आप कोई भी नॉर्मल नोटबुक यूज कर सकते हैं जिसमें आप लिखते हैं. कोई भी कॉपी चलेगी जिसपे आप लिखते हो. Show me thumbs up if you all can see the screen. Very good. अब आप सबसे पहले जो स्क्रीन पर लिखा हुआ है, you will all note this down in your notebooks. Please write it down in your notebook. Just take 2 minutes and write it down quickly. Everyone, write it down this in your notebook. कोई भी नोटबुक पे. अब आप मुझसे ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछोगे दीदी कौन सी बुक पे लिखना है. जो नोटबुक आप अपने होमवर्क के लिए नॉर्मली यूज करते हो, यू विल यूज दैट नोटबुक ओनली. And I want one child to speak what is written. Just a second. Sangam beta, you unmute yourself please. Sangam, only Sangam will speak. Sangam beta unmute karo.
I will read the story very simple and try to make a conversation with myself.
Yes. Sangam, you will have to speak it again beta. दीदी आपको पढ़ के बताएंगे, ध्यान से सुनो. Listen to me carefully and then speak. First, what is written is I understand what I read. मैं समझता हूं जो मैं पढ़ता हूं, या मैं समझती हूं जो मैं पढ़ती हूं. And the second is today I will read the story very carefully. Today I will read the story very carefully and try to make a connection with myself. Sangam beta, now you read this again.
I will read the story very carefully and try to make a connection with myself.
Very good. Very good. Now, all of you, please note this down in your notebooks. Sangam, you can go on mute now. Thank you.
इंग्लिश
now-
की बुक में क्या
आयुष बेटा, दीदी ने क्या बोला था अभी कि आप
कौन सी
कोई भी
notebook?
नोटबुक यूज कर सकते हो जो आप होमवर्क के लिए नॉर्मल नोटबुक यूज करते हो लिखने के लिए. Go on mute, Ayush, now. Thank you. Now I want Krishna. Beta, you unmute yourself and please read what is written on the screen.
Today I will read the story
Very, very.
Carefully and
Yes.
try to make a
Connection.
WITH with myself.
Archit, go on mute. With myself. Archit beta, please go on mute. Aisha Didi, please mute everyone. So yes, thank you very much. If you all have completed, can please, sorry, please show me a thumbs up. See, दीदी भी कितना fumble करते हैं बोलते हुए. It happens with everyone. Only 1 minute more. उसके बाद, if you're not able to complete, we will complete it after the class. Didi, please show the screen पहले वाला ही only. Yeah, thank you. Quickly. I'm so proud of you all today. Everybody is following the rules of the class. Done. Some kids are done. I can see it on the chat box that some kids are done. Okay, now everyone stop writing. Very good. Stop writing, everyone. Please stop writing, Ayush. Please stop writing, everyone. Now we'll read the story. Okay? Didi will share this with you on WhatsApp. आप बाद में लिख सकते हो उसको. दीदी आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे. गौरी बेटा, please go on mute. गौरी बेटा, माइक वाला बटन प्रेस करो. Thank you. Didi, next slide, please. Everyone look at the screen now. Yes. The story that we are going to read today, the title of the story is Time for Bed. Time for Bed. Who will tell me कि इसका क्या मतलब है? आपको क्या लगता है? What is the story going to be about? Just a second. Everyone will stay on mute. I will speak the name of the child and that child will speak. Vineet, beta, please unmute yourself. And just guess what is the story going to be about. What do you think? Vineet, unmute yourself, beta. जो भी आपको लगता है, whatever is coming to your head, speak.
मैम मतलब उसका मतलब है टाइम फॉर बेड, बेड पे सोना है,
सोने का वक्त. One child has written सोने का वक्त. Yes, go on mute, Vineet. Very good. Yes, keep on using the chat option. Time for bed. मतलब जब मैं सोने जाता हूँ वो वाला समय. That time when I'm about to sleep. Sleep at night. Okay, next slide, Didi. Pratiksha, you unmute yourself, beta, and please read what is written on the screen. Not the red one. जो white नीचे black में लिखा है ना, वो वाला पढ़ो. Pratiksha.
दीदी यहाँ पे व्हाइट में कुछ नहीं.
सॉरी, जो ब्लैक में लिखा है, ब्लैक में नीचे लिखा है ना, बेन लाइक्स टू प्ले. नहीं देख रहा प्रतीक्षा बेटा आपको? Okay, no worries. Now you can see? Okay, it's okay, beta, go on mute. It's okay, go on mute, Pratiksha. Others will stay on mute. Nobody will speak in between. Anushka beta, please go on mute. Ravni beta, you also.
दीदी मैंने म्यूट किया है.
हाँ, तो बेटा आप म्यूट पे जाओ. Didi, please put everyone on mute. Harsh, beta, you unmute yourself. Can you see on the screen the lines that are written in black?
Ben likes
Yes.
play with her toy.
His.
It's getting late. It's time for Ben to go to bed.
Very good, Harsh. Please go on mute now. So the story starts with Ben likes to play. So the story is about Ben, a child named Ben. Ben likes to play with his toys. It is getting late. It is time for Ben to go to bed. So the question is, do you like to play with toys? Everyone, show me thumbs up if you like to play with toys या फिर generally like to play. Show me thumbs up. And at what time do you sleep at night? At what time do you sleep at night? Please write it on the chat option कि आप रात को किस टाइम सोते हो. Write it on the chat option. Vedant, beta, please go on mute.
10.
Vedant, go on mute. Okay, next slide, Didi. Now, Ben's dad, what does he say to Ben? We need to read this. We need the lines in the black. Quickly, quickly. Yadnesh and Vedant, beta, both of you, please go on mute. Please, beta.
It is.
Yes, bolo, Vineet.
It is getting.
Getting.
Late says, Ben is that. Get ready for bed. Okay, I will get ready. Say Ben.
Says Ben.
Says Ben.
Very good. So Ben's dad says to Ben, it is getting late. बहुत लेट हो रहा है Ben. Get ready for bed. अब आपको सोने का टाइम हो गया, तो quickly get ready because you're getting late. So Ben runs towards his bed and says, okay, I will get ready. Next slide, Didi. So let's see what happens next. Now, who will read? I want Vedant. Vedant, beta, please unmute yourself. Vedant. Okay. Ansh, beta, you read Ansh. Ansh, beta.
Ben gets ready for bed.
Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Wait a minute. Who is speaking?
Ansh.
Ansh. Okay, beta. Yes, speak. Bolo, beta.
Ben gets ready for bed. He takes off her cloth. Pop, pop,
Plop, plop.
plop,
Plop,
plop.
plop. So Ben, go on mute now. Thank you. So Ben gets ready for bed. He takes off his clothes. Plop, plop. So generally, when we go to sleep, we generally change our clothes, right? हम घर के कपड़े पहन के सोते हैं ना? So everybody try to make a connection with yourself also कि आपका रात का टाइम कैसा होता है जब आपको सोना होता है. Okay? So Ben takes off his clothes. Plop, plop. Let's see what happens next. Didi, next slide.
Ben get read by bed.
Saurabh, go on mute, beta.
Read.
Saurabh, beta, go on mute. Thank you. Now I will ask. First, I will ask Pari to read, and then Saurabh, beta, you will read the next slide. Pari, beta, unmute yourself. Pari?
No.
Pari, beta, read the lines that are in black.
Bed goes ready. Bed gets ready from bed. He was his hand.
Yes. Yes, Pari. Didi, please put everyone on mute. Beta, I have asked only Pari to speak right now, तो अभी सिर्फ Pari बोलेगी, and we all will listen to her. Yes, beta, Pari, now speak.
Ben gets ready from bed. His dad
And
hand and face scrap.
very good. Thank you, Pari. Thank you so much. Anushka, Shravani and Yadnesh. Beta, I request you please to stay on mute. Okay, so Ben gets ready for bed. He washes his hands and face. Scrub, scrub. So the Didi, please put everyone on mute. Beta, please now nobody will touch the mic option. आप mic के option को touch नहीं करोगे वरना कुछ भी सुनाई नहीं देता है. So the question is, do you wash your hands and face before sleeping? If the answer is yes, if you do wash your hands before sleeping, who is speaking? Beta, please नाम बताओ अपना. यदनेश बेटा, आपने पूछता है कुछ? Yadnesh, beta, do you want to ask anything?
No.
Go on mute then. Go on mute. Press the mic button now. Mic button, beta. Yes, thank you. So if you do wash your hands before sleeping, अगर आप सोने से पहले अपने hands को और अपने face को wash करते हो तो use the chat option and write yes there, and no to write no. Use the chat option. Now the next slide, Didi, please.
Shut up.
Thank you. Vedant, beta, please go on mute. Yadnesh, beta, आप please mic वाला button press करो बेटा, screen पे जो है. No, wait a minute, wait. Beta, wait a minute. Beta, please go on mute. Aisha Didi, please put everyone on mute.
Ben gets ready for bed.
कौन बोल रहा है बेटा? ये कौन बोल रहा है?
अच्छा.
हमारे क्लास के रूल्स क्या है? We will not speak in between. It is the most important rule. हम माइक का बटन जब तक प्रेस नहीं करेंगे जब तक दीदी हमारा नाम नहीं लेते हैं. आपको कुछ बोलना है तो आप चैट पर लिखोगे, बीच में नहीं बोलोगे, नहीं तो किसी को भी नहीं समझ आएगा. Okay, so Ben gets ready for bed. He brushes his teeth. Brush. So what does Ben do? So do you all brush your teeth before going to bed? Show me thumbs up if you all brush your teeth before going to bed रात को. Okay, I can see a lot of thumbs up. You do brush your teeth. Very good. And why is it important to do that? Why is it important to brush our teeth before going to bed? Huzefa beta, will you please unmute yourself and answer? Why is it important to brush our teeth before sleeping?
क्योंकि हमें दांत साफ रखने चाहिए.
Because yes, because it is a part of our personal hygiene, right? Have you all read about personal hygiene? We have read about personal hygiene in our environmental science, right? Show me thumbs up. We have all read about personal hygiene. Very good. That is why it is important that we brush our teeth before going to bed. Next slide, Didi, please. Now, Ankita, beta, can you please unmute yourself? Ankita.
Ben get ready.
Saurabh, beta, Saurabh, wait a minute, beta. Saurabh, मैंने किसका नाम लिया है? सौरभ,
सॉरी
दीदी ने
दीदी।
किसका नाम? इट्स ओके, गो ऑन म्यूट। इट्स ओके, कोई बात नहीं। अंकिता बेटा, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। Ankita, beta, can you hear me? Ankita, I think she can't hear me. Now, Saurabh, beta, you read. Saurabh?
Ben gets ready for bed. He drinks a glass of water. Glip, glip,
Gulp, gulp.
gulp, gulp.
Yes, very good. Now go on mute. So what does Ben do? Ben gets ready for bed. He drinks a glass of water. Gulp, gulp. Gulp, gulp की sound आती है ना when we drink water? The sound जो आती है when we drink water, that sound is the gulp sound. Right? So what does Ben do? Ben has brushed his teeth also. Ben has also now changed his clothes. Now Ben has also had a glass of water. Okay? So now you tell me कि ये जो steps अभी तक Ben ने follow किए हैं सोने से पहले, do you also do all these things? I saw that you brush your teeth. I saw that you change your clothes. But do you also drink a glass of water before going to bed? Show me thumbs up if you do. Everyone, do you drink a glass of water before going to bed?
Dink, dink.
Huzefa, beta, pay attention. Very good. Now, next slide, Didi. Now, what happens? Ben gets ready for bed. He puts on his pajamas. Wiggle, wiggle. Now, what happens? Ben changes his clothes and he puts on his pajamas. रात को सोने के लिए he puts on his pajamas. So the way he moves while putting on the pajamas, जैसे वो move करता है, that movement is called wiggle. Okay? That movement is called wiggle. So he puts on his pajamas. Next slide, Didi. So Ben gets into bed. Dad reads Ben and Bear a story. So what happens? When Ben is ready to sleep, his dad comes and he reads a story to Ben and his soft toy bear. Ben के पास जो toy है एक bear का, उन दोनों को वो story सुनाते हैं. Do you like to read a book before going to bed? Write it on the chat option. If you do like to read a book before going to bed, before sleeping, write it down. Yes, I do. And if not, then you write it down. No, I don't. Okay. Next slide, Didi. I can see the kids writing on the chat option. Very good. So now you have to list down the things that you do before going to bed every night. Now, please, जो screen पे लिखा हुआ है, now write it down in your notebook. Come on, everyone. Please write it down in your notebook. List down the things that you do. Beta, it's do, it's not to. It is my mistake. It's not T-O, it is D or do. List down the things that you do before going to bed every night. Aisha Didi, can you please use the whiteboard and write this question there with do and not to? Okay. Now see, list down the things. List down the things that you do. Everyone, write it down in your notebooks. You have to do this today, okay? We will try and complete it in the class itself only. List down the things that you do before going to bed every night. जो भी notebook आप normally use करते हो for your homework, use that notebook to write it down.
सेकंड पेज क्या वही पेज पर?
बेटा सेम पेज पे भी लिख सकते हो आयुष, किसी भी पेज पे लिख सकते हो आप.
मतलब जो आपने दिया था उसके पास सेकंड पेज.
हाँ, you can use the same page. List down the things that you do before going to bed every night.
दीदी
Who is speaking, beta? Please speak your name.
अनुष्का,
Yes, beta Anushka.
ये जो लिखा है इसको बुक में लिखना है.
हाँ, आपको नोटबुक पे लिखना है, जिसमें आप लिखते हो इंग्लिश का काम, जिस भी नोटबुक में आप करते हो उस पे लिखना है.
ओके.
या और फिर आपको इसमें लिखना है, just try to make a connection with the story. Story में जो कुछ भी हुआ, the steps that Ben followed before going to sleep. Before sleeping every night, Ben used to do a list of certain things. Like he used to brush his teeth, then he used to change his clothes, then his father used to read a story to him. He liked reading a book before going to bed. He drank a glass of water. ऐसे ही you have to list down the things that you do before sleeping every night. It has to be about you yourself, what you personally do before you go to sleep every night. And then try to make a connection. Keep the list that you follow, the things that you do before sleeping every night, and the things that Ben was doing in the story before sleeping every night. Is there any connection between the two? So what you have to do is, जैसे Ben ने जो जो चीजें की सोने से पहले हर रोज, और जो आप करते हो हर रोज before you sleep, उन दोनों के बीच में देखना कोई कनेक्शन है या नहीं. कि अगर आप भी ब्रश करते हो सोने से पहले और बेन भी ब्रश करता है, तो देयर इज अ कनेक्शन, दोनों चीजें सेम है. राइट? शो मी थम्स अप इफ यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड. Okay, very good. And write on the chat option if you're done. Now I want Gauri beta, please unmute yourself. Gauri. Very good. I can see the kids using the chat option. Very good. Gauri beta, please unmute. Beta Gauri, did you like the story? Say, tell me yes or no.
Yes.
What did you like the most in the story? आपको स्टोरी में सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद आया? It's okay, Gauri, it's okay. Arya, beta, please unmute yourself. Arya, you have written on the chat option that you have not completed. Arya? Sangam also said not done. आप लोगों ने नहीं लिखा है अभी?
दीदी मैं लिख रही थी तो मेरी बहन ने रबर ले लिया, तो मैं रबर लेने के लिए गई, तब आपने चेंज कर दिया.
Okay, beta, now listen to me. You just listen to me carefully what you have to do. Okay, it's okay if I'm not written. You have to list down the things that you do before sleeping. हर रोज सोने से पहले जो भी चीजें आप करते हो, जो भी स्टेप्स आप फॉलो करते हो, आपको वो लिखना है बस. Show me thumbs up if you all have understood now. Yes, very good. So now I want to ask Vishwaratna, beta, please unmute yourself. Press the mic button, Vishwaratna, beta. Press the mic on the screen. वो जो red वाला button है. Yes, very good. Vishwaratna, beta, did you like the story?
Ben.
Did you like the story? आपको story अच्छा लगा?
वो Ben अच्छा लगा मुझको.
Oh, you like Ben. Very good. Why did you like Ben? आपको Ben में क्या अच्छा लगा?
वो कार्टून मतलब Ben और इस Ben में फर्क नहीं इसलिए ये Ben भी पसंद आ गया.
अच्छा, आपको बेन पसंद आया क्योंकि वो कार्टून जैसा था?
हाँ.
Okay, very good. That is a unique reason, but I like it. Now I want to ask Prathamesh. Beta, unmute yourself, Prathamesh. 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 Yes, beta. What did you like the most in the story? What did you like about the story? Prathamesh?
दीदी.
Yes.
मैंने अभी खत्म किया उसने स्टोरी नहीं देख पाया मैं.
Okay, okay, it's okay. कोई बात नहीं. वैसे भी we are recording the class. You can watch it later on the YouTube. Gargi, beta, you want to speak, Gargi?